Carbon steel for dependable, long-life blade that stays sharp. Close-cutting T-blade, can be zero-gapped. Replacement for Andis model ORL trimmer. T-blade trimmers, like the Andis T-Outliner, are favored by barbers for their ability to cut crisp outlines and designs. The GTX T-Outliner deep tooth blade allows longer hair to feed through the blade faster and can be used for light fading. Trimmers used with attachment combs are perfect for beard maintenance. Andis Company has been crafting professional-grade tools since 1922. Close-cutting trimmers are a must-have for detail work on hair, beards and mustaches. Top reviews from the United States. Brand new. Make sure you replace the black attachment that comes with the blade and not just replace the blade itself. Doing so, the clippers sounds a lot more quiet as if it were brand new. So glad it came with the entire attachments. You will see there is no pull in the blade and cuts crisp. .14 year barber.